Let's see, some important informations are given here. Let's see one by one. So here fertilization is shown in the picture. So oocytes released from ovaries during last few months nearing the age of menopause are 40 to 50 years old. Their ability of division has been diminished till now. Due to this, they cannot complete the meiotic division properly. If such oocytes are fertilized, the newborns produced from them may be some abnormalities like Down's syndrome. So, in a proper age, in a proper middle age में ही बच्चे हो जाने चाहिए, है ना? Otherwise, some abnormalities like Down syndromes are seen. Now, here one more information is given. Do you know the chromosome number in germ cells producing the gametes are diploid? As we all know, that means it is 2n. It includes 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosome. As we have seen in last year, heredity and variations, 22 pairs of autosomes. Autosomes are the chromosomes which are not takes part in reproduction, and 1 pair is of sex chromosome. That pair takes part in the process of reproduction. That means 22 pairs of autosomes means 44 chromosomes plus XX or 44 chromosomes plus XY. These germ cells divide by meiosis. Due to this, gamete contain only haploid number of chromosome. अब meiosis में तो diploid becomes haploid, है ना? So 22 plus X or 22 plus Y it becomes. So two types of sperms are produced as 22 plus X or 22 plus Y, whereas the oocytes are produced of only one type as 22 plus X. So this is, or all these things are dependent for the birth of child. So sex determination in human being is depend on male, because X and Y both the chromosomes are there in male. And see this diagram, you can better understand by this diagram. See here, in male 22 plus X chromosome and 22 plus Y chromosome are there in male, and female can give only X chromosome. So if X combines with X, it gives girl, and if Y combines with X, it gives boy. So sex determination is depend on male. Now both the germs or both the sperms and oocytes are produced by meiosis. In case of sperms, process of meiotic division is completed before the sperms leave male reproductive tract. However, in case of oocyte, process of meiotic division completes after ovulation during fertilization in oviduct. So this is about the sex determination in human being. Now after gamete formation and fertilization, development and birth takes place. So the zygote formed after fertilization in oviduct undergoes repeated mitotic division and embryo is formed. See, in gamete formation, meiosis is seen up till fertilization, and after fertilization it is or the mitosis takes part. So by the process of mitosis, the zygote develops and undergoes multiple division, or it is useful in the process of development and growth. So meanwhile it is pushed towards uterus. Once it reaches the uterus, it is implanted and further development occurs आफ्टर इम्प्लांटेशन. अब ये इम्प्लांट होता है यूटेरस में. जाइगोट जो है, जो बन गया है एक कंबाइंड बीज जिसको हम बोलते हैं, it is implanted in uterus. An organ called as placenta is formed for supply of food material during the growth in uterus. अब यूटेरस में एक प्लासेंटा बनता है जो न्यूट्रिशन देता है that embryo. It gives nutrition to that embryo. Embryonic development is completed approximately within 9 months after fertilization in human beings. So this is all about the sexual reproduction in human beings.